मैं सीखने के लिए आया हूँ,
यस।
एक विद्यार्थी जैसा आया हूँ यहाँ।
और क्या अच्छा लगा सर आपको?
मुझे तो अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि हमारे देश में सीखने का बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ है, तो सीखते रहेंगे। जब पैदा हुए तो मरते वक्त तब तक तो सीखते ही रहेंगे। मैं हिंदी तो जानता नहीं, बोलने में कठिनाई है। दक्षिण भारत के हैं, तेलुगु ज़्यादा बोलते हैं वहाँ, आपको तेलुगु समझ में नहीं आएगा, तो हम हिंदी में कम बोलते हैं, समझ जाते हैं।
Of our honorable governor to our historic Fort Aguada, and especially he came to see the storage tank, that is agua, which means water, how the water was stored in 16th and 17th century, and it was being given to all the ships which were on the voyage, and how the canoes used to supply from the our small, which is jetty, which is there down at the old jail, which is now converted into museum. So honorable governor visited the entire Aguada. He saw the fort, then he came and saw this historic church, Saint Lawrence Church. So he came inside, he saw the altar. He was very much impressed that the church is being kept in the same way for so many years, especially the altar. And then now he is going to see the jail museum. So he has visited this place only to see that our history is still kept alive, and how government is protecting and the locals are protecting this history. And because of this history, we are getting so many Indian and foreign tourists who visit over here to see this history and also to see these beautiful churches, temples, and all the other monuments which are there, which is part of the tourism activity in the state of Goa. He was saying that this is nothing but our rich heritage of this country.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.